All right, I thought I'd go over my camping setup. This is my sleeping compartment. I got my iPad right there to watch movies. Of course, that's where I sleep. This is the slide out for my cooler. Eventually will be a powered fridge. Let me pull this thing in. And when it's in, June and I can both sleep in there. And that drawer pulls out. Of course, that drawer pulls out. And that drawer will pull out whether this is slid out or not. This is my Batwing Awning. It's a 270 degree. This is my campsite. Not bad. Not the worst, not the best, but pretty darn good. This is my water port, and this is a 3.8 gallon tank, and it can be pressurized. So I have pressured water, and I can pressure it from my compressor at home, or I can pump. Already has a lot of air in it, and I have pressurized water. Good for brushing teeth, cleaning hands, and it mounts to the front, so it's out of the way. I don't have to store it inside. It's my little stool to help me get into my sleeping. That is my gas-fired fire pit, so I can have a fire when there's a fire ban, which there is right now. So I can go ahead and still have a fire, and I can turn it on and off. So in the morning, if it's cold, I can turn on a fire. These are screens that go over the frame of the window, and they're fantastic, and they're only like 20 bucks from Amazon, and it's nice. So I have one on the other side too, so I have airflow. I also have a pair for the front, so if it's really warm, I can put them on the front. It offers nice airflow. Again, this is my sleeping arrangements. This is a flap that is on both sides, so I have that flap extended over there. Plenty comfortable. You can see my screen over there. You can see the silver thing right there. They're also all the way around the other windows, and those block out the light, and they either keep the heat out or keep the heat in. The silver is faced in, so it keeps the heat in. So if it gets cold at night, those help keep the heat in. And those are fantastic. Those are from WeatherTech, and they're made specifically for the 5th gen 4Runner. They make them for other vehicles, but not too many. But it's one kit, like $160. And I was gonna make something, but they just made them, and they're perfect. Not a bad setup. And because I'm up a little high, this is sloped a little bit here, the awning is up high enough where my lift gate lifts all the way. Sometimes it depends on the slope, it doesn't lift all the way and I have to duck to get under it, but right now it's perfect. And you can see my ladder happens to go in between 2 bars, so that doesn't hinder anything. Anyway, that is my camping setup when I'm camping solo, and my drawer system. Not bad. Came out even better than I expected. the slide out is absolutely perfect. And just in case I don't post the other video I made, then I'm going to pull this out and show you the other drawer. It's a little hard to do kind of with one hand. So this drawer again will pull out. This is where I keep my cooking stuff. Has my poo bag right next to my cooking stuff. That is a top for this. So this goes on, that goes on top of this, and you can see it velcros in place just to stop noise when I'm going down the trail. And so I can set my Jetboil on here, or a stove if I decide to have a stove. And all my food is in here, of course, unless I'm using Jetboil, and then I just use the Mountain House meals. There you go. Thrilling, wasn't it?